contestants we have today. You know what I mean? Big up on yourself. Well forward to the camp and well forward to the show. You understand? Only thing we want to do right now is just to bring it. And just loan winnings. Alright? Fourth staging right now. You know what I mean? And this is the 3rd of September. The 100Talent show going on. Right? Yes. Alright, so you know, we have to big up all sponsors right now. We have to big up all the new judges. You get involved inside of 100% Talent Jamaica and big up all the new sponsors also. You know what I mean? I just want to big up MJ Promotion. You know what I mean? Big respect to you. Manners and respect to you. You know what I mean? And welcome on board on the 100% Talent Jamaica team. Alright, so MJ Promotion, big up yourself. Alright, so we could get straight inside the show right now. Alright, so the first artist will be performing today. Tyree, make your way to center stage. And this is one of our new contestants, you know what I mean, for the 100% Talent Jamaica. Well forward to the show and I just loan winnings. Introduce yourself to Jamaica and the world. See the camera them there. Next level for you, my boss. Introduce yourself. Welcome.
My name is Sherry Henry and I'm from St. Catherine, Linstead.
But the proof's in the way it hurts. For months and then I had my doubts, denying every tear. I wish this would be over now, but I know that I need you here. You say I'm crazy, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done. By the way you call me baby, I know I'm not the only one. You've been so unavailable. No, sadly I know why. Your heart is unobtainable, but I know, God knows you kept mine. You say I'm crazy, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done. But when you call me baby, I know I'm not the only one.
Yes, I'm telling you, Tyreek. A good song from Tyreek, may I tell you the band voice, yeah. It might go on good. So we're going to start with the first female judge right now. Yes, Station. It look like you want to say something. It look like you make your smile go weird on one part. What you think about his performance?
Great. He did a good job. With a little more training, trust me, you're going good. You're going good. Right? So with a little more training, you'll be there.
All right. So him just need for
just a little more voice training.
A voice training.
Yeah, Nero can lead him.
All right. Hope you take that advice. You know what I mean? All right, Nero, as a male general, you know what I mean? Judges, yeah.
Fully. All right. So for me, the voice is your voice is great, but as fellow judge companion say, you need a little bit more attention to detail, because when you go sing falsetto, my friend, can't crack. You understand? So with that said, you know what I mean, come on, have to see you fall back against it, so you don't know. and take away the shyness, man. You don't know.
I think him can do him thing. Kisha Las Vegas.
You know, because he is just auditioning, we just want to determine if he moves on and join the team contestants for the 100% talent. And so far what we've seen, obviously, you know, so he will continue in the competition, and your audition was well done. There is room for improvement, and you know, my apology. Welcome to 100% talent.
You sound good. Alright, so remember to put in the vote. You know what I mean? If you really like him and you want him to stay in the competition, put in the vote for Tyreek. He's the new contestant. Big up yourself, bro. Alright, all the best. Yeah, how you been? So the talent show, we're just moving on.
Do you need your wedding videotaped? Do you need a commercial or an interview done? Then call Sunshine Video Production. We videotape and edit functions, graduations, stage shows, music videos, and even funerals. We have a video studio and offer help with your marketing and promotional planning. So WhatsApp or call us at 883-0525.
So introduce yourself well forward, you know what I mean, as a new contestant to the 100% Talent Jamaica, and I wish you all the best, my boss. Introduce yourself to Jamaica and the world.
Alright, pleasant good day everyone. The name is Chef here. I'm from Portmore. Yeah. Hey, heads up, really insecure in your French cut. Who you look so good, mush me meds up. Feel me need a search, girl, put your hands up. You light up my world. No one night stand, keep me cool like a inverter fan. Anything me I do, girl, you're in my plan. Seal you are the one to give me first birth. No prevention, keep it risky, Davido plan. Say everything you want to, girl, you're in my plan. Seal you are the one, yeah. Ooh, babe, tell me this, how did it feel when God was removing your wings and sending you to earth? Was the feeling pure or a discomfort? Baby, it's a relaxation when you come to mine. Your tiger stripes reveal the realness of your outlines. Keep it real and the way you speak stimulate my mind. I'm so intrigued by your designs, you light up my world. No one night stand, keep me cool like a inverter fan. Anything me I do, girl, in my plan. Seal you are the one to give me first birth. No prevention, keep it risky, Davido plan. Say everything you want to, girl, in my plan. Seal you are the one, yeah. Don't wanna see you like this, girl, all up in your feelings. And you look so good, girl, you look so good. Girl, don't waste your time and let some foolish decline destroy your peace of mind. Woman, you deserve this, some tender loving.
Nah, man.
Hey, I think the woman never really deserves some tender loving, you know what I mean? Big up yourself. What is your name again?
Name is Chef here, Chef here.
Chef here. All right, big up yourself. What do you think about his performance right now? We get the judges them involved. Hey, Ara General, what go on? Remember you say Ara, you know, and Tasha Arolin. So you know you're excited.
Guys, yeah, you know the thing go. Big up yourself, my artist. Give thanks for you being a part of the competition. As me idea, take the time out for come be a part of the competition. The high voice bad. As me the topic where you sing about. Respect that topic there. As me I deal with the female them. As me I deal with, because they want you interact more with even the female judge. So you can who and I judge them, you know.
Yeah.
You know what me I deal with, because you have them song there.
Yeah.
You see me interact. You see me, but we are seeing more in a competition. You see me, big up yourself. Me rate the high talent. You see?
Alright, me I tell you so much talent right now. Trust me, you bring it, bro. You know what I mean? So we'll move on to a female artist, Lady Tash. Yeah.
It was a steady performance. You understand? I like how you really made what you were singing and I was feeling it. But as I said, the interaction could have been more. But it's a good performance.
Alright, so you know you're winning, my bro. You don't know manners and respect. Alright, so remember, if you really like the artists, remember to put in the vote and keep it in the competition. Alright, so big up yourself. All the best, my boss. Turn up the beat with him. Turn up the beat. Yeah. Alright, so we're moving to our next performance right now. Our third performance for the evening. You know what I mean? The next performer, make your way, introduce yourself to all the judges and all the media persons watching us right now, all the TV persons right now. Welcome to 100% Talent Jamaica. Introduce yourself, my boss. Let's do.
Yeah, man. To the judges and everybody knows that DJ Ital. I will come to sing some conscious song for the people. Because right now, everybody has to have life. You understand? Because I know dead somebody know the writer, so. Give me my rhythm. I know see the flavor. When you have life, but what there be people are dying, you know. What you know? My life. Love me, love my life. What you know, no? Me say me love my life. Love me, love my life. A long time me a fight. Just to make it in a life. Me just love my life. Love me, love my life. A long time me a fight. Just to make it in a life. Yeah, me never do know. Me never get up every day and just burn ganja. Me never sit down like a fool on a street corner. Me nah stay upon jail and me a search for water. Jaja give me the strength so me work harder, yeah. Remember upon the ends me used to burn coal for ya. Me do me own thing, no boss boy can't fire. True to the bone, me never call you liar. Jaja give me the strength, I thought. My life, love me, love my life. A long time me a fight. Just to make it in a life. Me just love my life. Me know you love your life. A long time me a fight. Just to make it in a life. All of the people them. Me love me life in a night. Me love it in a day. Every day me get up, me kneel and pray. Me give thanks for life. Jaja guide the way. For the children, she say me want a better day. No innocent. I can represent it.
Hey! Hey, be I tell you the bad fall for Wake Up the Show. What is the artist name again?
You know, sir, DJ Ital representing.
Boy, be I tell you, festive body now. If ready for the show now, new contestant, right? Alright, so we just move into our judges right now. See there? Be I tell you. Alright, Nero, what you think about the artist performance? Trust me, the band say, this another 990, man, wake up the place. Nero.
So as a first timer, we would like to welcome you to the talent show. The 100% Talent Jamaica. But right here, we see the panel here. The panel here named No Laughing Panel, alright? But I'm going to give you the forward for that one because you utilize the stage even though it's a small platform, you utilize it, you engage the judges and stuff. Basically engage the audience then, right? So I will be seeing you more after this.
Alright, man, active, ready for the show. 100% Talent Jamaica. Alright, big up yourself, my boss. Hey, turn up the rhythm right now. Hey, catch your vibes, everybody catch your vibe. Get your little vibe now. 100%, we get your little vibe now. Alright, turn on that beat right now. Hey, we could keep the show excited and keep the show alive right now. All contestants, we're moving on to another contestant right now. This artist go by the name of Daddy. Da-da-dee. Da-di-da. Da-di-da-da-da-dee. Alright, forward, my boss. You know what thing going on. Da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-dee. Introduce yourself right now to 100% Talent Jamaica. All the viewers watching.